Giggles and grapes.
Welcome back, little scientists. Today, we have 15 mind-blowing science facts that are going to make you say, wow. Let's jump right in. Did you know that more than half of your body is made up of water? Around 60% of you is H2O. Drink water every day to stay strong and healthy. The sun is a massive ball of gas, and it's super hot. It's about 10,000 Fahrenheit on the surface, but luckily, we're safely 93 million miles away. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. A bolt can reach temperatures of 30,000 Celsius. That's super hot. Plants are like little chefs. They make their food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide through a process called photosynthesis. Even though we can't feel it, the Earth is always spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour. Hang on tight. Ever held a seashell to your ear? It sounds like the ocean, but really, you're hearing the echo of sounds around you bouncing off the shell. Rainbows happen when sunlight passes through rain, splitting into all its colors: red, orange, yellow, all the way to purple. On the moon, there's no air to breathe. That's why astronauts need spacesuits with oxygen tanks to survive up there. Did you know sound travels faster through water than air? So fish can hear each other better underwater than we can on land. Surprise! Your brain is actually more active while you sleep than when you're awake. It's busy processing everything you learned during the day. Not all metals sink. Lithium and sodium are metals that can float on water because they're super light. Guess what? The Antarctic desert is the largest in the world, and it's not hot, it's freezing cold. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Birds aren't mammals, they're in a different group. There's a massive volcano on Mars called Olympus Mons. It's the biggest volcano in the whole solar system. Air is all around us. Even though we can't see it, we can feel it when it moves, like in the wind. On Venus, a single day lasts longer than a whole year. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to spin around once. But it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to go around the Sun. An octopus has not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills, and the third sends it to the rest of the body. Sharks have a superpower. They can sense tiny electric fields in the water, helping them find prey, even in complete darkness. Surprise! Bananas are actually berries, while strawberries aren't. It all has to do with how the fruit grows. The Eiffel Tower gets about 6 inches taller in summer. When metal heats up, it expands. That's why it grows in the heat. Your nose is amazing. It can remember up to 50,000 different smells like cookies, flowers, and even rain. Bees don't just buzz, they dance. They use special moves called the waggle dance to show other bees where to find food. There are more stars in the universe than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth. That's a lot of stars. Some spiders use their silk to balloon through the air, traveling long distances by catching a ride on the wind. The Earth's oceans cover more than 70% of its surface. That's why our planet is sometimes called the blue planet. Which new fact surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science fun. See you next time, little scientists.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.